Let's dive into division 26 divided by 2. Ha superstars. If you're loving math, give this video a big T, UMBS up, and hit that subscribe button for more awesome math adventures with Let's Stud. Alright, let's start dividing 26 by 2. We'll bring down the first digit, which is 2. Now we ask, how many times does 2 fit into 2? It fits 1 time. Let's check. 1 times 2 is 2. Time to subtract. 2 minus 2 leaves us with 0. Great job, you're doing awesome. Now, let's move to the next divot. Next up, we bring down the 6. We now have 6 to work with. We look at our remainder, which is 0, and bring down the next digit, 6. So now we have 6. How many times does our divisor 2 get into 6? You got it 3 times. Let's multiply. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we subtract. 6 minus 6 equals 0. Now remainder this time. Fantastic work. You're a math superstar. We've used all the digits and our remainder is 0. We're all done. So, 26 divided by 2 equals 13. We just learned how to divide 26 by 2 using long division. Remember, each step involves dividing, multiplying, and subtracting. You totally rocked it. Great job, math whizzes. Keep practicing, and you'll be division pros in no time. Check out more fun math videos on Let's Stud.